Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by moving in with protective gear and a plan. Get iron armor, a bow, and fire resistance. Once at the spawner, crouch to prevent accidental falls and place torches in a ring to limit outside spawns. Make sure to clear immediate debris so you can see blazes as they appear. You do this because visibility and safety reduce interruptions and accidental damage. This fast, disciplined approach buys you control for the next, more involved steps. Now you construct a small, controlled chamber around the spawner. Use non-flammable blocks so blazes can't ignite surroundings. Once enclosed, shape a 2-block-high funnel that channels blazes into one exit, because concentrating them simplifies neutralization and reduces risk. Employ water streams or trapdoor mechanics to guide movement. Water won't extinguish blazes, but can push other mobs and control positioning. You do this to isolate spawns and create a predictable path, which makes the final neutralization consistent and safe. You finish by neutralizing remaining blazes from a protected vantage. Fire arrows to weaken them, then step in for swift melee finishes if needed. Once clear, either remove or permanently disable the spawner. If you cannot silk touch it, seal it behind blast-resistant blocks or surround with torches that prevent activation. After that, monitor the area for 5 minutes to confirm no more spawns occur. If blazes still appear, recheck gaps, add torches, and reinforce the funnel because small openings let spawns persist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.